Dr. McGrath, one thing that I noticed in learning more about your practice is that you're a diplomat for the ABHRS. Can you talk about what exactly that is and what that means for someone who's looking for a hair transplant surgeon when they're doing their initial research?
Well, the ABHRS stands for the American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery. And being a diplomat of the ABHRS means that you have taken the time, number one, to apply to go through the testing process. And not everybody qualifies. You have to have some form of training, or you have to be able to show that you've got some experience in the field to even be accepted to sit for the exam. So there's a bit of criteria. Once being accepted to sit for the examination, you're expected to be able to show a proficiency in a question answer, a proficiency in a written examination, which isn't easy. And if you're not a hair specialist, I assure you won't do well. But on top of that, there's an oral examination. I happen to be one of the examiners for the ABHRS, and I know for a fact that it's fair, but it does weed out individuals that don't know what they're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing and you don't know how to handle various types of cases that you would be expected to see in a practice, you're not going to pass that exam. So I think it's a great, for me, I have a lot of pride in my membership with the ABHRS. I serve on the board of directors, I'm on the executive committee, and these are things that are important to individuals that are in this field because it does represent, it is the only certifying board in the world that looks at hair restoration surgery. And in itself, I think it gives the patient some reassurance and some knowledge to know that that surgeon, if they're in fact certified as a diplomat by the American Board of Hair Restoration Surgery, that surgeon knows what they're doing.